Alright, I'm going to make some hummus. You're going to need a fresh lemon, some fresh garlic, ground cumin, 2 cans of chickpeas. And I'm going to drain these and save the juice instead of using, usually you use chicken broth for the liquid. I'm going to save the liquid in these and use that for the liquid in here. So some coarse salt, and I'm going to put some green olives in mine. Put whatever you want in yours, you know, add whatever flavors you like. I'm going to put the olives after it's done blending, so it doesn't pulverize them. So I'm going to drain these chickpeas and be doing it. A lot of people take the hulls off these. If you want to spend the time to do it, get these skins off, you'll end up with a much better hummus, but you can eat them too. So if you feel like getting the skins off, just roll them around your hands and they start coming off. See that? You know, that's up to you. You can eat them or leave them. Get rid of them or you leave them. This is how many cloves of garlic I'm putting. You can put as much or as little as you want. Put a good amount of garlic if you like garlic. About a teaspoon, half teaspoon of cumin. Teaspoon. Some kosher salt. Juice of 1 lemon. The tahini's already in the bottom. And that was in another video, if I didn't mention that. These are seedless, huh? Look at that. Alright, the garbanzo beans are in. Chickpeas. A little bit of the sauce that came with them. A little shot of olive oil. Now let's grind her up. I'm gonna have to use the tool here. It's got enough salt. Everything. Give you a look down here. Good consistency there. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to spoon it out of here just so I can add the olives to it. Okay, so if you don't like the olives, you don't have to go. You're done. You serve it up. A little hot paprika on it. Thank you, Keith Bettag. I still have this smoked paprika, hot, real hot. A little bit of olive oil on it and you're ready to go. If you do like olives, put some in. Remember, these are going to add salt, so don't put too much salt in. Alright, I just did my screenshot. Now I can dig into it. A little olive oil and paprika on it. That's good. Perfect texture. Smooth, ground smooth. Man, that is good. Got some nice flatbread, pita bread. Make yourself some. Thanks for watching. And as always, I do appreciate it. Just wanted to say, guys, this is excellent. I've made a lot of hummus, and this is probably one of the best. This is freaking good. Man. telling you that's good. Make you some. And I am talking with my mouth full because it's good. Do it now. All right, thanks for watching.